What's up, YouTube? As y'all know, DeepSeek just crashed the whole stock market, guys. Nvidia fell over 16% in today's trading hours. It's slightly recovering, but the name of stocks that fell down go on and on and on. The list keeps piling up. So what just happened, right? We just saw the stock market. We literally opened all our phones today and we just saw Nvidia lose $500 billion in market cap. It got wiped out in just one day. Why is Tesla crashing? Why is Microsoft crashing? What is happening in the stock market? Well, we had news over the weekend that a competitor of many AI companies in the US called DeepSeek built an AI software so good and so cheap that it's shocking many semiconductor companies, guys. Imagine you built an AI and then it suddenly was the fastest growing app on the App Store, which is in fact true. It's one of the top 10 right now. And you only made it for $6 million, 5.7 to be exact, but $6 million, guys. That rocks in people's heads, okay? That's gonna play a huge factor in saying, whoa, yo, are these companies that we have right now doing good compared to that? I mean, $6 million for all that kind of ChatGPT software is insane, right? It's insane. So that is why the market took its turns. But apparently we had some complications because allegedly this company is using semiconductors that they're not supposed to have, okay? So I'm not sure if they're playing by the rules or not, but whether that is a fact, we can go ahead and look for some dip opportunities, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys like these videos, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We have so much to get into. So I got a whole list of stocks that I want to look at. Let's go ahead and look at ticker symbol SPY, guys. The S&P 500 fell 1.41% as of right now. And guys, I got some few stocks that I'm going to be looking at. Once again, take a look at this. Overnight, this was sitting at 592, but made a steadily recovery. As you can see, there has been some dip buying activity right here. Okay, it didn't just fall down to 560. We're actually trading right now in between the 594 range and the 604 range. So that's going to be a key factor. I got some charts pulled up too. As of right now, the range I have marked down is going to be between 603 and 594. So whether we break up the 600s tomorrow, that may signal a bullish reversal. But guys, let's go ahead and get back into it. You could see that we're down 0.53% the past week. So nice little recovery there. Let's go ahead and get into the main stock. All right, guys, ticker symbol NVDA. What in the world is happening with Nvidia right now? Nvidia is down almost 17% today, but it is recovering nicely after hours, up 2.48%. And if you guys see, Nvidia is going back to the 200-day moving average. As you guys know, DeepSeek has been causing a ton of commotion in the markets. Let's go ahead and read this right here. DeepSeek strikes again. Does its new open source AI model beat DALL-E E3? And we got DeepSeek open source AI costs Nvidia $600 billion and triggers a 1 trillion sector slump. Folks, this is probably the biggest news that I've ever seen in the stock market in quite a long time. And I want you guys in the stock market to be as surgical as possible. I want you guys to make sure you get your trades in, make sure to mark down, ooh, this stock went down, okay? I want you guys to get a basket of stocks. Go ahead and mark down prices you want to pick your points at and get into them, okay? This is a huge, as you guys saw, a $1 trillion wipeout in one sector of the stock market. Think of the whole stock market. So much stocks went down today. But guys, I want to show you something else, okay? Take a look at this. And Nvidia right now is going to be trading between this 117 range to the 124 range. So if we can get a breakout on Nvidia, I think it's going to take at least 2 days to climb back up from this ruckus. But I think that this news is going to be short term, okay? Short focus. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AAPL. Guys, you know Apple, we've been talking about Apple all along. Take a look at this. This stock is up 3.21% today. In a sea of red, take a look at this. Apple started all negative and then it recovered, guys. Look at smart money pouring into Apple right now. Family, this one is up 3% today, getting ready for earnings in the near future. Take a look at the 1 week chart. This is up 1.62% in the past week. In the 1 month, it is down 8.55% in the past month. But you guys can see how much money just flowed into Apple. Okay, I want you guys to keep Apple stock on your radar. Mark this stock down. Let's go ahead and get into other stocks. So we covered Nvidia. Let's go ahead and get into ticker symbol SOFI. Guys, SoFi Technologies reported earnings today, but once again, fell down off earnings. Okay, it seems to be a common pattern, but those $15 dip buys paid off. All right, guys, next up, I want you guys to take a look at the triple Qs. QQQ is down 3% today. So you guys know that big tech just got a huge hit today, but seems to be steadily recovering. We're bouncing between 511 and 516. So that is on watch for tomorrow. Let's get into other stocks, family. We've got ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla, guys, is sitting around $400. You guys know I like Tesla. If this one goes to 380, you can see every time it goes to 380, okay, or right now we got one example, 387, boom, it went up to 400. So big watch if Tesla goes back to 380 for a potential earnings run up. I got so much earning run up plays I want to do, and ticker symbol GOOGL is part of one of them. Next up, guys, or before we go into that, guys, Tesla's down 6% the past week, down 5% the past month. Also, we got some support at the 380s right here, right around 380. So big watch for Tesla on that to look for dips. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMZN. I want you guys to pay attention to this one too, because this is another stock, okay, a huge stock where when everyone's red, deep in the red, this one shows green. And guys, this isn't just a stock market that went red, okay? Also cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all of them went red, okay? Talking about 5%, 6%, 7%, 8%. There was a huge impact by DeepSeek, guys. Okay, take a look at this. 221 all the way to 235. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful move. $14 recovery right there. So guys, I would keep Amazon on your radar, okay, for a potential move upwards tomorrow. Okay, this one is very strong. Once again, green in a very red market. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol MSFT. This one actually recovered pretty well compared to the other stocks. Okay, we keep comparing everything to Nvidia. Obviously that one took a huge hit, down 16%, but if you look at this, Microsoft was nearing $400 and shot back up straight to 535. So this one is going to be on my watch list too for tomorrow. It seems like we're having resistance at 440, but we can hop back at 428 if things start to get spicy. Okay, this one for the market right now, at least, we got 1 day of sell-offs. Okay, some people may buy the dip and a ton of other people are holding cash. Wait for tomorrow. Okay, today we saw a huge sell-off, but tomorrow if we bounce, okay, watch for the continuation. Take a look at that. Okay, we got a nice recovery in Microsoft. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMD. This stock is down 6.33% today, but it has bounced around $112.80. So something nice to see. If this one goes back down to $112.80, I'm going to be looking into that. We got some resistance around at 117, but this one has been weaker compared to Nvidia. Okay, this drop is almost the same as Nvidia's for the time being. Take a look at this one, down 5.81% in the past month. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol GOOGL. So this stock right here is one of my favorites right now. We got earnings in a couple of days, so we may potentially see an earnings run up. Depending on how things go in the market tomorrow, I'm going to be looking forward to buying some call options. Okay, so ticker symbol GOOGL, and maybe just even shares too, right? Depending on how volatile it gets. Definitely something on watch for the earnings run up. I want to see this one go back to 200s and test 200. Yeah, you see right there the quad top. Okay, this is no triple top. We got a quad top right here, went all the way down, bounced from 190. So I'm gonna keep this one on my radar, definitely near the close. Okay, something near the close for this one. I'm gonna be definitely watching this one near the close, guys. So yeah, big watch on that. We got earnings coming on Thursday, so depending on how things go Tuesday, I'm gonna be looking to take a position on this during the end of the day. Okay, during the end of the day, when all the dust settles down, guys. We're watching today for Monday. This is how everything settled in. Tomorrow, we watch what happens for the end to scoop in some more dips. Okay, so next up, guys, we got ticker symbol HOLO. Let me know if you guys made some money on this one. We pointed this one out in the penny stock video. Okay, this one was up 76% in the pre-market. Tons of money to be made there with a total of 204 million volume. Okay, so guys, take a look at this. Okay, penny stocks are in a hot market right now, as well as all the tech, right? We have a ton of dips, and once again, I look at penny stocks that have huge dips, okay? So same as the tech companies, money to be made, both sides, different directions, different type of stocks too. So next up, guys, on my watch list, I got ticker symbol CHSN, ticker symbol Chanson. This one, you guys know, I was talking about this one earlier, okay? This one fell from $6, $6.29 all the way down to 90 cents and then went back down to 63 cents, okay? Currently, it's at around 64 cents, down 3.38% after hours. I'm going to be watching this for tomorrow, guys, because we got a spike early in the market. The 30 minutes, guys, take a look at this. This was up 17%. So I'm going to be watching to see if we get a continuation of the volume that we received, okay? This is from Hollow. So if we look at Hollow, right, we got a huge bounce up at around pre-market. So I'm looking to see if there's any sort of sympathy plays towards that, but I'm gonna keep this one on my watch list, okay? This one was up, yeah, take a look at this, up 1% pre-market, then ran up 17%, which is huge. So when you get to these penny stocks, these runs are huge, okay? When everyone says when to take profits, okay, make sure you know your position or profit taking position whenever you get into a stock. Make sure you predetermine that so you don't have to like second thought it, right? You know when to take profit. That's going to be a huge win for you, okay? And remember, learn when to take the losses too, because that's also a big factor. Keep your losses small, keep your winners big, okay? That's probably the hardest thing to do, but trust me, it'll pay off, guys. As long as you keep your losers small, the runners big, that's gonna make it big for your account, guys, okay? So ticker symbol CHSN. This one is on my radar right now, down 3.35% after hours, sitting at 64 cents. This one on my radar, guys, once again. And we have looked through all the stocks. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And we got so much more stocks coming in, guys. We got a whole earnings run up. The major earnings haven't even released yet, right? We got Boeing tomorrow. We got GM. I'm waiting for a Meta, Tesla. We got Google. So Google, a big one, especially on my screen right now. I got Google, guys. I'm going to be looking to play the Google ER run up. That one is going to be exciting for sure. So watching for a dip, or if there's a dip or anything, I'm going to be looking to take a position tomorrow near the close. So that's going to be exciting for sure. So guys, we do videos just like this every day. If you guys like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're very close to 10,000 subscribers. So I would appreciate if you do, as always. And if you want to watch videos similar like this, click right here, turn on my post notifications so you're notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.